Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about how to transfer a trademark. We'll begin with the introduction part. So in today's business landscape, a trademark is one of the most valuable assets. Whether you are selling it or whether you are passing it down the line to your family or you are transferring it to your partner, the process of trademark transfer is just not a normal process. It's more than just a paperwork. Not just deeds are involved, even affidavits, power of attorneys, scrutiny reports are involved. And today in this video, we'll discuss about that. Moving further, so I'll discuss about my first self. My name is CS Harshdeep Narula, and I in this video will take you through the detailed steps of transferring your trademark through the assignment of trademark. We'll discuss about the forms, we'll discuss about what is a process and other things as well. Moving further, so let's understand the law first. So we'll begin with understanding of law. So the trademark transfer is governed by section 37 of the Trademarks Act 99 and rule 75 of the Trademarks Rule 2017. So trademark can be transferred in two ways. That is through assignment or through transmission. When I talk about the transmission means ki moving down the inheritance, and assignment means you are transferring it yourself. So this was all about the law governed by section 37 of the Trademarks Act and rule 75 of the Trademark Rule 2017. So law is clear. Now we'll move further. So forms to be filed. We discussed about the introduction part, we discussed about the law. Now which form is to be filed and where it has to be filed. So the trademark forms can be filed through online mode and offline mode. In today's era, we know that everything is online. So we'll also file the online forms and we'll also discuss only the online forms here. So as per Rule 76 of the Trademarks Rules 2017, you must file Form TMP on the trademarks portal to legally transfer a trademark. Like I discussed in the beginning, just a mere deed of transfer does not mean you are transferring your trademark. You have to process through Form TMP, and that is a legal process in India. So this form is specifically for trademark assignment and ensures that the trademark is recorded and recognized by the authority. The fee for this form, TMP form, is government fees is 9,000 rupees. Moving further, what are the documents required? So introduction is clear, law is clear, forms are clear. Now what documents are required? The primary document is the assignment deed in transfer case. So you have to make assignment deed which should include 5 major points, and there are other points as well you can include in it. So the first major point is details of the transferor and the transferee, the seller and the buyer. Trademark registration certificate or the application number, details about it. Specifications of the rights being transferred, what rights are being transferred, is it with goodwill or without goodwill, because many of the people sell their trademarks with goodwill and without goodwill too. So the process differentiates a little bit, that's why we have to clear this. The fifth one is the consideration amount. This is the major thing as well. Like you're selling something for something, so you are getting a trademark, so you have to pay something, and it should be a monetary term. So it also includes affidavits and power of attorney. So in affidavits, we'll discuss further. In affidavits, we have to mention few points. In the power of attorney, it will be if you are getting it done through the attorney, both of you have to sign the power of attorney, trademark transferor and the transferee. So we'll move further. Introduction is clear, law is clear, forms are clear, documents are clear. Now what is the transfer process? Once the trademark assignment deed is signed by both the parties, transferor and transferee, including all necessary documents and including form TMP must be uploaded on the trademarks portal. You sign the deeds, you will make a form TMP on the trademarks portal, and then you will file that form TMP on the trademarks portal. So once it's filed, then within 30 days of filing form TMP, the transferor has to sign the affidavit, and in that affidavit it will mention that this transfer is being made genuinely, what were the terms and conditions. So she will give the acknowledgement and the confirmation of the transfer. It's being made in the form TMP. So as per Rule 76, the trademark transfer process, as per the government, as per the law, it should not take more than 3 months, and it should be complete within 3 months. And the law in 76 rule has been used word ordinarily. So ordinarily does not mean that it is fixed that it will be completed in 3 months. It can take 4 months, 5 months, 9 months, 12 months. It depends upon your attorney and your case as well. Moving further. So now you have filed the form. Now what will happen? Examination of the forms filed, examination of the documents. Examination means the forms you have filed will go to the registrar for the scrutiny purpose. So now the scrutiny will begin. At this stage, there will be checked your completeness of your deed, of your form TMP. If everything is all right, then it's good for you. If it's there is some conditions, crucial, important points, then a scrutiny report will be issued by the registrar, and to that scrutiny report, you have to respond within 30 days. If you fail to respond, then your application will mark abandoned and rejected. Moving further, now approval or rejection. If everything is all right, it will be approved. If it's not all right, scrutiny report will be generated. If you are not able to satisfy the registrar, it will be rejected. If you're not able to provide the details in time, it will be abandoned. So make sure you upload proper documents and get it approved. Moving further, so the conclusion is trademark transfer a significant legal process, and ensuring all steps are correctly followed is essential to protect the value of your brand. Mere signing anything does not mean that the trademark has been transferred. Whether you are transferring ownership due to sale, family, or anything else, business reconstruction, getting it done right is crucial. Getting it done right means assignment deed, form TMP, affidavits, power of attorney, scrutiny reports, reply, everything. Moving further. So this was all about our video. This was all about trademark transfer. In case you liked it, in case you need any other help, you can, my phone number is mentioned, my email address is mentioned, you can contact us. This is my phone number, this is my email address. I can guide you properly through the trademark process. Thank you very much.